Hey, Giovanni.
Hey, Matthias.
So you and we worked a lot together to improve our joint offer for our GNSS customers, and we have news about AssistNow. Before we get into the news, can you remind the audience what AssistNow is?
Sure, Matthias. Typically our IoT customer design with small and hidden antennas. AssistNow is what they need to achieve an almost immediate position fix and save energy consumption.
So it's a very important service, and in fact it exists since many years. Can there be any news about it?
I'm really excited to tell you about the news. There is a new service called AssistNow Live Orbits and Predictive Orbits, and we have two good news. The first one is the freemium model. Now all our customers using a recent GNSS receiver can take advantage of the predictive orbit variant.
So benefit means for free.
Yeah, it is. And then we have also a premium option named Live Orbit.
And then there's number two even.
You are right, we have also another great news, the bundle option. Our some GNSS receiver include in the product price also the premium Live Orbit variant.
So that is furthermore a great simplification.
It is.
Have you thought about including these services in uCenter 2 as well, our evaluation tool that most customers are using?
Yes, we have tried to simplify also the evaluation step. We included in the new uCenter release a plug-and-play mode. It's super simple. Let me show you how it works.
All right, let's have a look.
First, connect the evaluation kit to uCenter 2 through the proper interface, then go in the services section, select AssistNow, select the evaluation kit tab. If you are using an ABK, get the access, leave the default settings here or change it, and then finally download the data. And that's it. Now transfer the data to the receiver. You see that now everything is white, is blank here. The uCenter 2 is transferring the data to the AVK. And you see here we get a pretty good time to first fix considering the partial sky view condition that we have now. Here below we have the request string that shows how to implement the access to the service for developers. And this is all, Matthias.
Thanks for sharing, Giovanni.
You're welcome.
It seems it has never been as easy as today. Great improvement. And we have more information in our blog.
And don't forget to visit our new AssistNow webpage.
So we've left both links in the description, and we hope to see you all there.